Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 35 Ford Close. Now, this property is located within the really popular seaside development of Stud Hill, so the seafront is only a short walk away. Now, coming into this property, you'll see there is a little bit of updating required throughout, but it leaves a really wonderful blank canvas option open for you. You've got two bedrooms with this property, both a really good size, and we're going to start by taking a look in bedroom number 2. So you can see here it's a really good size. You've got that wonderful big window there just overlooking the front garden and onto Ford Close there, but again, really good size and plenty of space for a double bed and for the wardrobe units as well. So with this property, you'll see you do have the electric storage heaters on the walls there, but if you wanted to put a supply of gas in here and have a gas-fired central heating system, that is easily done. And of course, a little bit of time and effort spent doing it, but it's certainly doable here. So we're in the master bedroom here again, which is another double-sized room. You've got that lovely big window there at the front, but you've got the little airing cupboard utility space there as well. So really nice sized room. Now, the property does of course need some updating, but again, I said that it's a really wonderful blank canvas option. There's not really many opportunities to get a bungalow of this size really to put your own stamp onto, and we're just having a quick look at the main shower room here, which again you can use straight away. The property is absolutely immaculately kept throughout, so you don't have to start doing work here immediately. It is ready to go straight away. And coming into this kitchen area here, you can see it's a really nice space, and you've got that window there just looking through the conservatory and out over onto the rear garden. So again, we'll just have another little look there, but you can see again the side access that you've got with this property. Now, here we are in the main lounge, which is a lovely size, and you've got plenty of natural light coming straight through. It's certainly not a dark bungalow. Sometimes little bungalows can seem really dark and a little bit dingy, but this is just wonderful. You've got an abundance of light just flooding through, coming off of this conservatory space, and this is a wonderful size. You can see it's the entire width of the property in the conservatory size there. You've got the sliding doors there leading into it, and you're going to see when we come into the rear garden that you back onto the horse fields, so you're surrounded from the rear by those wonderful fields, and both neighbouring properties are bungalows as well, so there's really no issue with being overlooked here whatsoever. You've got an incredibly private rear garden, but it is a wonderful space, really easy to look after. You've got this lovely little entertaining space just there at the side, and you've got the side access there as well, so you can of course bring your bikes and everything through. But that shed, or really it's quite a workshop, is a really fantastic size as well. Plenty of storage space. It's really the size of a typical sized garage as well. So just coming back down to the end of the garden, we're going to show you just across the fields there where the horses can come up. It's a really wonderful location. And I'm going to leave this tour by saying, please do give us a call at Kent Estate Agencies. There's certainly more than meets the eye with this property, I believe. And I'd ask that you give us a call, find out a little bit more, and perhaps even book a viewing. Let's see if it's the right bungalow for you.